1. Insert the joint. 2. Insert a stabilization insert, if tube wall thickness is higher and the insert cannot insert into the tube. 3. Push the connection joint onto the tube until it reaches the inner stop. 4. Push the connecting joint onto the tube until you can feel the inner stop. Mark the correct insertion depth on the tube. 5. Pull the connecting joint 1/3-1/2 length from the mark. 6. Apply sealing all the way round the sealing area of tube end. 7. Pull the connecting joint 1/3 length from the mark. 8. Apply second time sealing all the way round the sealing area of tube end. 9. Push the connection joint onto the tube until it reaches the inner stop. 10. Shake, to make sure the sealing fill in the gap. Confirm the end of tube connect the inner stop. 11. Put the joint on the connection joint. 12. Put the assembly jaws in place behind the joint. 13. Press the tube connection until the joint is flush to the assembly stop of the joint. 14. Remove the assembly tool. 15. Same installation of another side.